I've got my crossover out and I want to change the dipstick tube. I actually don't want to change it. I want to change the seal at the bottom because it's leaking. And I also want to make more room to get a tool in to change out my O2 sensor down there. So anyway, it was stuck. I pulled and pulled and pulled on it. And finally got it to come out. And I'll show you what I did. I poured some of this, and I believe any lubricant would work, but this probably is very similar to WD-40. I poured some into this cap. This is just a larger spray nozzle on a paint can. So I filled this cap full. Now this tube sits in like that, and it's very hard to reach. So what I did is I poured that lubricant. I could reach down in there and take that cap with my hand, and I poured it right on the top of the bend here. I couldn't reach down far enough to pour it right at the connection site. So I poured it at the top, and it followed the tube down. And then I was able to wiggle it and jiggle it, and it came out pretty quickly. I did mark the position of it where it hits this exhaust pipe coming into the secondary air valve. Before I took this out, I could see quite a bit of oil around this. Now, this is not the seal. The seal is right here, and as you can see, I hope you could see this, it's totally gone on this side. There's not a hole left on this other side either. Actually, that seal is totally disintegrated. No, wait, there it is. It's right there. It is there. So, I'll take that off and put the new one on. And I'll lubricate the new one with some silicone grease, dielectric grease. Okay, there it is. This is the underside of the engine. I think you could reach it from under here. I put that paper towel down just in case I had to come underneath. But as you can see, it's just behind and to the right of the center of the car by the front support. I was able to get the O2 sensor changed out, so I want to put this oil tube back in. And here's the part number. So I'm getting ready to take the old one off. Here you can see the difference. The old one's a little bit swollen. It pushed right up in there. Now I'll go see if I can push this in the engine. Okay, I don't have it pushed in yet, but I did find the hole and I got it ready to push in. So here's the position of the dipstick. It's going here and then kind of down in there. So I'll see if I can get a close-up.